real smart boy, ain't you? Well, smart boy, I got a big white fella from Memphis made a deal with me a few years back. Real good guitar player, name is Jack Butler. Cuts heads every Saturday night, yes, sir. He discourages a lot of up-and-coming boys.
Today on Freak House Customs, we're gonna cut this freaking neck out of here.
Jack Butler's gonna like you.
Welcome back to Freak House Customs. This week, we cut this freaking neck out of here. Oh wait, I should have an axe. Hold please.
Gonna let these burros laugh at you. -2 + 2 =. I'll break your neck like a toothpick. Órale. 0.
So I made some marks where I'm gonna cut it. So basically, those 3 points up there, and then down there somewhere, oh boy, not gonna work. Down there is another mark, and that will remove the neck, but keep the perimeter frame there, because I'm still gonna ride this thing while I'm building the other frame. So that's where we're at. Let's get to cutting.
You break her heart, I'll break your neck.
All right. First cut. All right, here we go. Time to cut. This guy first. That's great. Okay, here we go. Sure. Super important clutch line. I don't want to cut. Here's the problem. No idea. No actual clue how I'm going to do this without freaking cutting or breaking something I don't want to cut or break. So, let's get this carved out of here. I think this is a bad idea. Okay, good. Here we go. Did it. I did it. Alright.
Now remember, I can break your neck like a chicken's.
And as you can see, I didn't do too much damage to anything I wasn't cutting. Those electric connections were that's what I was afraid of. There is I think it's like a VIN tag, VIN sticker you can't see. Right here, this guy. Well, there's a VIN right here. I don't know if the focus is on that or not, but there's a VIN right there. There's a sticker plate here. I want to retain those. This bike's going to be street legal. Registered and insured. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty open. I don't think I compromised any of the structural integrity either. So we'll see.